Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to recover a hacked Facebook account without email and password. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead to your browser and search accessing and downloading. Go ahead to your browser and search accessing and downloading, and you'll find the Facebook link, and you're going to click on the first link, which is the Facebook link. Now we have the accessing and downloading your Facebook information right here. So what you want to do is to select account access troubleshooting, the second option. And now we have how can we help you with your account access issue, and you can see my account has been hacked, and that is the first option. You want to select it, and it says if you think your account was hacked, you can secure it by going to the help center, and you want to go ahead and select the link at the highlighted text. It says you can go to the help center, and here we are. Recover your account if you think someone is using it without your permission. Try the guided help, and it's going to take us here, and we're going to answer a couple of questions. If you think your account was hacked, we're going to say no, I can't log in. Select no. Then do you have access to your phone number? No, I do not have access to my phone number. Select no. And it says log out of your account you're currently using. Then follow this link. So you're going to log out of the account you're using and use the link there. So you can either use your phone number or you can search your email by name instead. I'm going to try using name instead. And once I search it, it should give me something like this. And I want to click continue. So you press continue, and you'll be asked to verify it. You can see use your Google account, but we do not have access to this Google account. So it says we could send you a code, you could enter the password, but you want to say no longer access to this account, and you can see that you will be able now to verify your information. So you want to click on start, and after that, after enter your email, they will send you a link to the email that you're using, and you'll be able to access your account. And that is how you do it, guys, and I will see you in the next video.